Hello everyone and welcome. Well, I had a different video planned for today, but in the past few days I've been feeling under the weather, headaches, hay fever, and because I have no backup video, I thought since I have quite a few new subscribers, yay! I will put together a video with my old cards, as some of you might have not seen them. Sort of blast from the past. And the topic is summer landscapes. Where I live, it's been rainy pretty much every day for the past few weeks. Really annoying. So some sun is definitely needed, even if it is only in a form of a card. Here are the cards. I will be playing music throughout the videos, so I thought I will at least do a little introduction. The first card is this one, a simple watercolor night sky with cacti that I drew with alcohol markers. The second card will be this one. Here I also did a landscape with a cactus. This one I painted with acrylics. I don't use acrylic paints that often, but when I do, it's a lot of fun. And the last card is the most recent one. It's from my Distress Ink Kit series. I created here a beach scene with a palm. Now let's jump into the videos. As I said, I will play some music, but you can find the links to the original videos and corresponding blog posts in the description. And if you have any questions, just ask in the comments. Alright, those are the cards with a summer landscape theme. I hope you will try creating something similar yourself. Don't worry, I'm not gonna make these a regular type of videos. This was more like an emergency. I just had way too many weeks this year without any videos. Next week, fingers crossed, I will have a brand new video for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe and comment as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you very soon.